Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create portfolio in Vimeo. At first go to your web browser. Then go to vimeo.com. After that tap on Login and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu choose Watch. And from here select Collections. This is where all the magic happens in the terms of presenting your videos in a cohesive manner. So next you will take into this page. From here tap on Create a new showcase or portfolio. At this point you need to add a title and description to your portfolio. There is an option right there to make your portfolio private. Just remember to set a password so that you can easily share those privileged to your viewers. Once you are done, tap on Save. That was all. Now you have successfully created a Vimeo portfolio. Thanks for watching.